Coming at you from Lake Ozark, Missouri, down Horseshoe Bend Parkway and Carroll Road, we are at 198 Bentwood Condominiums. But not your typical condo, because it is a standalone building within a condo complex. And what that means is you have no shared neighbors beside you, below you, or above you, but you get to enjoy all of the condo complex amenities that it has to offer. Not only that, you are just steps away from your dock, which is the largest slip here in the condominium complex, which is a 14 by 36 foot slip, and it comes with a PWC slip. So that's enough of that. Let's dive in and go take a look. In this recently updated unit, you have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, approximately 1,500 square foot of living space, with nice vaulted ceilings in the living room, and behind me they added a newly enclosed sunroom. Some of the other features that they did was tile floors. They had custom cabinets in the kitchen, granite countertops, all brand new black stainless steel appliances, and they remodeled the bathrooms as well. Thanks for taking a look at this condo with me today at 198 Bentwood Condominiums in Lake Ozark. My name is Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and I will say, pictures and video just do not do this place justice, so for more information and a private tour, please give us a call at 800-836-2005 or check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.